Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and I just wanted to show you today how to run Cat6 wiring through the interior of a home wall to hardwire some of your connections. This is a structured paneling box where all the data and coax terminates, and what we're doing is Grayson is going up in the attic up there, and he's going to shoot the line right down to me into the smart panel. Once he does that, I'm going to secure all these three lines to that fish line. Then he's going to pull it up into the attic, and we're going to take it down and around, or up and around to our rooms. I'll show you the process as we complete this work. Go up, 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 whoop. Right there, too high. Push. All right, and just like that, now we have our fish rod, and I'm going to attach my lines to it. And then once you have your lines taped on with all the heads as close as possible to the fish rod as you can, then you're going to shoot the line up into the attic. All right, go ahead. I like using these big rolls of wire because then you can take the wire and run up into the attic without having to worry about it getting tangled up down here. You can see as he pulls on it, the wire will just continue to pull out of the box. There you go. So the next part of this process is taking your hammer drill, or really any type of drill, but hammer drills work well, and then some electrical tape, and you're going to drill down between the flooring. So what you're doing is you're shooting for right between the wall, basically on the 2x4, where you don't go into the sheetrock like right there. You're going into the middle of the 2x4, which will then put you right in between the walls. And there's typically 16-inch stud placement, so you want to be between those studs as well. And then what Grayson's gonna do is shoot that wire down to me, and I'm gonna go down and grab it. So Grayson is up there somewhere, and we're running it over to here. So we're using that coax as kind of our tracer. So what I'm gonna do is try to just remove that plate, and then we're gonna put a double plate in place of that so that we have coax and data in one location. All right, so I just threw Grayson the fish rod again, and head back down to go get the next line. All right, and we're heading on to line number 2. So one little tip when running lines is check to see which side of the outlet the stud's on, and then you can have the guy either drill to the left or to the right in the attic to make your life a little bit easier. In this case, they want it kind of centered on this wall. So I'm gonna have him go like right to the right of that vent, but to the left of this outlet, which will put us in this stud pattern here. All right, so Grayson's up there in the attic working, and I'm going to cut this hole, but we always wanna do it at a uniform height so that it matches the rest of the home. It looks like we put it in brand new from the builder when the home was built. So I'm gonna measure, see, this is about 7 inches off of the baseboard, so I'm gonna go 7 inches for my hole that I'm about to cut. And the stud that we're shooting for is about a foot from the vent up there. So I'm gonna go right in between this stud and this stud. Right there. That's 7 inches. And I can cut my hole. After you cut your single gang hole. Yep, that's perfect. Shoot it down. Once you cut your single gang hole, hopefully your partner will and if you guys communicate it properly and have a game plan in place, it should you should see some debris fall, and then right after that he'll shoot the line down the wall and I'll pull it out. Do you have it in there? Now you gotta tape it. Yeah, I thought I just saw it. So right now he's just taping the cat cable to the fish not fish tape, fish line. And once he tapes it, I'll pull it down the wall. All right, we're good. All right. Well, that's line number 2. You can see we have them labeled as to which rooms they're going to based on the distance. And next I'm gonna pop my retro ring in and then punch down my cat connection. Thanks for watching. All right, and here we go again. Back up to the attic. Give Grayson the line. You can see he's back in there. So I'm gonna throw this to him and then he's gonna attach the next line. I wanted to point out one thing. This is the Dreamedia difference. We don't just come into your home and make a mess. We do try to lay down blankets to catch all debris. Anything that's not caught by the blankets will be vacuumed or swept up. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. All right, here we go. Line number 3. We're shooting right down here. I'm a little bit uncertain as to exactly where he is, so I'm gonna let him run the line first. And then once the line's in the wall, how to jiggle it around to kind of get an idea of which stud pattern I'm in. Which you can hear, it's about right here. All right, you're good. Jiggle it. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing in here. I'm gonna check my height. I got stud there. So I'm gonna go about 7 inches here. Hold on 1 second. Got my hole. And there it is. All right, are we taped? All right, we're good. All right, well, that's that. Line number 3 is in the wall. Now we just got to throw our retro ring on there with our keystone, and then go tip the other side and plug it into our switch, and we'll be ready to rock and roll.